I woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. I drank a cup of tea. I drank a cup of tea. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I took a cold shower. I took a cold shower. I ate my breakfast quickly. I ate my breakfast quickly. She cleaned the big table. She cleaned the big table. We watched a movie together. We watched a movie together. The cat slept on the mat. The cat slept on the mat. My father fixed the broken chair. My father fixed the broken chair. I walked to the market. I walked to the market. He waited for the bus. He waited for the bus. She bought fresh milk. She bought fresh milk. The children played in the park. The children played in the park. My umbrella flew away. My umbrella flew away. Birds flew in the sky. Birdsy flew in the sky. I called my father. I called my father. I saw a bird. I felt happy today. I felt happy today. She sat on the chair. She sat on the chair. I stretched my arms. I stretched my arms. I brushed my hair. I brushed my hair. We sang a song. We sang a song. He cleaned the floor. He cleaned the floor. She danced well. She danced well. I wore a dress. I wore a dress. He ran very fast. He ran very fast. I washed my hands. I washed my hands. I closed the window. I closed the window. I drank a glass of water. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.